morning everybody from Ben-Gurion Airport Terminal 1 again. So as you might know, we are going to Poland. I've got my flight in like 1 hour and a half. I'm wandering around the Terminal 1. I'm taking you with me. I'm going to be in Poland 11:15 p.m, which is quite late, and I'm going to be home about 3 a.m, something like that. It's gonna be annoying, but I will watch some Netflix and stuff, so hope to survive this trip. Hello everybody, I want to do something like a weekly vlog from Poland, so you might see I'm already here. What's happening today? It's like 11 a.m. I'm planning to visit my grandparents, fly a little bit of drone. I'm here for like, this is my 3rd day, but all the time the weather was horrible. It was super cold. Imagine in Tel Aviv, when I was living in Tel Aviv, it was 30 degrees. And I landed 4 hours later in Poland and it was 6 and raining. I was shocked. So these 2-3 days were horrible, but today we've got a lot of sunshine. So I want to fly the drone because it's also not very windy. What I want to tell you, I'm testing the foundation. This is why my face looks a bit strange. So basically I went to Sephora for some shopping and to buy a foundation. I bought one that we're gonna be testing later, but I got this Mark Jacobs Shameless samples and I'm testing that. I've got the color light white 210, and as you can see in the camera it looks a bit too dark for me, because here I've got the concealer and here I've got the foundation. What I wanted to mention is I was so disappointed because I was really about to buy this one and I put it on my face and I was like, this doesn't feel like foundation, like high-end foundation at all. You know, it when I was putting it on my face it was quite oily and it felt like Revlon, kind of like foundation. I don't know, I wasn't impressed. I felt like it doesn't do much to my face, so I put it on and it's like, you see, you've got the foundation but it doesn't do any good to you. Like, you know, it's not covering any blemishes or doesn't give you like matte finish or radiant finish, nothing. I don't know what they say. They say self-setting finish, invisible SPF innovation, youthful only better. Well, so at least it has SPF 25, which is not a lot, but fine. I would say maybe it's better for like skin like 40-50 plus, but I don't know, we'll see. Like, you see, the color was quite alright for me and it just went darker, and at least in the camera it looks like it went darker. So okay, don't mind this because this is the sunburn, but here my neck is quite whitish and my face is quite dark. So after 10 minutes definitely went darker. It's 11 a.m. and we'll be testing it all the day, so I will let you know how it looks like now. Like, it's quite matte and stuff, but I used Beauty Blender to apply it, and it's still, there's something not pleasant in this. I'm not a makeup specialist, but well, just not to talk about it too long, I'm going now to buy myself trekking shoes and then we're gonna fly a drone today, and that's the plan, and later visit my family, but I will not take you there probably. So see you later. Hi guys, it's just a quick update. I came to the lakeside to fly the drone a bit, and I want to give you the update on my situation with Tom Ford foundation, which is so bad. What's the time now? It's 2:10, so it's like 3 hours, more than 3 hours that I have it on my face, and it's so cakey. It's so bad. I don't know if it's worth the money. So imagine 3 hours and it's already I don't know if you see that. Looking like I have the second, no, like I have a mask on my face. Horrible. Okay, so I will do the quick shots with drone over here. It's nice, not very windy, the weather is very nice today, so see you there. Hello from the nature. So we are next to the lake. I did some drone shot. I was wrong, it's windy. I'm telling you, it's windy. So I had this stress like flying over the lake, and I think I don't have updated firmware, so I will have to do it at home, because today I want to do another shot in my grandparents' village, to which I'm going to go in like 1 hour. So like that, I used both batteries. I need to charge it quickly. Just I will chill a bit here. I love this place, and we're gonna go and shoot there. Hopefully we're still gonna have some sun. Update on the foundation, very bad. Never buy it. I will never buy it. Okay, see you later. Hello guys, the last update for today, and it's gonna be about this foundation. You see how it looks like. It doesn't look right for me. I mean, here it went off a bit because I was wearing a hat, but in general I wouldn't recommend it for the money it costs. I don't know how much is it in your country. Absolutely not, because it looks cakey and it was like that all the day. I don't feel it very much, but I think it's working like BB cream, and BB cream is much more cheaper. So there is no wow factor, okay? So from my point of view, if you have like combination skin, a bit dry and a bit oily, that's not the foundation for you. So I'm saying bye bye for today, and we're gonna see you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Subscribe to my channel, as in the next one you will be able to see some amazing drone shots from Poland. We'll also walk around Warsaw's Old Town, see the city from the 30th floor of Pałac Kultury. I will show you the National Stadium, stunning Łazienki Park. We'll eat some yummy vegan food, and finally do the apartment tour. You don't wanna miss it. Don't forget you can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!